Navratri festivities in Bhopal have begun under the shadow of a controversy. On day one, hoardings right outside Garba venues have triggered quite some outrage and a debate. Posters that bar Muslims from entering these Garba events. And in fact, it blatantly states, these banners says jihadi is not allowed. Those caught will be made to undergo Ghar Wapsi. Organizers have also announced strict conditions for entry into these events. Participants must wear a tilak on the forehead and a sacred thread on the wrist, show their Aadhaar cards at the gate, purify themselves with Ganga water, and in some places they've asked even cow urine to be poured on them. To offer prayers to Varaha and goddess Durga. Apart from that, follow traditional Hindu customs throughout the event. These are the guidelines that have been given and put out clearly by the organizer. Madhya Pradesh Minister Vishwas Sarang has backed this move, saying Garba is a Hindu ritual, not an entertainment show, and that only Hindus should participate. Here's the minister's take.
जो लोग हिंदू धर्म का पालन करते हैं उन्हीं को गरबे में जाना चाहिए, जो हिंदू हैं उन्हीं को गरबे में जाना चाहिए। ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट का कार्यक्रम नहीं है, ये विशुद्ध रूप से आराधना है देवी माँ की। तो निश्चित रूप से इसमें जो लोग जा रहे हैं वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी बताएं।
But the hoardings and the statements have really split public opinion here. Supporters argue that these restrictions protect cultural sanctity and safeguard women, while critics call this blatant discriminatory, a dangerous step towards social exclusion. The debate isn't confined to Madhya Pradesh. Remember, this has also happened, guidelines like this also given to some of the Garba events in Maharashtra, where the Vishwa Hindu Parishad there has issued advisories making Aadhaar card mandatory and tilak application as compulsory, even saying Muslims who are so eager to join the event must first convert. Ghar Wapsi, if you convert, then you're welcome. In Rajasthan's Bhilwara, similar ID checks has been mandated. It's been enforced. Organizers are all set to sprinkle Ganga water and cow urine to maintain sanctity as per their own guidelines. This conflict has been simmering for years. It's not new, but it seems like it's formalized now. But last year in Dewas, Madhya Pradesh, Hindu Jagran Manch activists had stormed the Garba Pandal, ordering non-Hindus to leave or they will face assault. These were some of the videos that were circulated back then. In Uttar Pradesh, a Muslim artist, Baby Imran, was barred mid-performance. While she was performing, she was stopped. Electricity was cut off. This lady here, she was forced to leave the venue because she was Muslim. In fact, she was invited by the organizers. Now, for many, this growing intolerance undermines